Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how you can space your shirt buttons and buttonholes like a pro. Yes, welcome back. This is So with UJ, and I just finished making this vintage shirt. Okay, for those that don't know how to make shirts, you can check it out on my channel. I already posted a detailed tutorial on how this shirt was made. Okay, now let's go to the business of the day. Let me show you how you can space your shirt buttons and buttonholes. Yes. Okay, guys, this is our shirt. Now, when you're looking at this shirt now, the front part, there is a left and the right side of it. Okay. So first of all, we'll go to the collar area, this part now where I'm holding. When you wear this shirt the way it is, notice that this part I'm holding is the left hand side. Yes, it's on the left hand side when you're wearing the shirt. And have it in mind that your buttonholes will be on the left hand side. Yes, on this side I'm holding now. That is where you have your buttonholes. That's the left hand side. While the right is where you're going to have your buttons attached. Okay, so like I said, the buttonholes will be on the left hand side while the buttons will be on the right hand side. Now you see the way I'm holding it, you can place it together that way. Okay? Now when you place it together that way, on that collar area, you mark your first point. Then from there you go down by 3.5 inches. You go down by 3.5 inches, you mark. That is where you have the second button hole. That's for the left hand side and button for the right hand side. Now from the 3.5 inches, you go down again by 4 inches. Yes, 4 inches you mark. Then after that, you go down again by 4 inches. That's the spacing. You mark it. Then you still take your measuring tape, you still go down by 4 inches. Please have it in mind that this marking is for an adult shirt and it's different when you're making for kids. Okay? Then you check what you're having. Now, as you're marking all this, take note that the spacing between the last button and your hem area, that's where the shirt stops, should not be less than 7 inches. Yes, it can be 7, it can be 8, but let it not be less than 7 inches and let it not be more than 8 inches. Maximum of 8 inches and minimum of 7 inches. That's the space between the last button and the hem area. You see, as I'm holding it, that space there, it shouldn't be more than 8 inches and it shouldn't be less than 7 inches. Okay, if you make it less than that, then you will notice that at the hip area where the shirt will be is going to be tight. It's going to look somehow. It's not going to be balanced on the person. Okay, so that is how to make your button and buttonhole space on your shirt for an adult. This is mostly for men. Yes, this is mostly for men. Even though this shirt I just made is unisex vintage shirt, but this shirt spacing I just explained is used mostly for men. Okay, so that is it about that. Thank you guys for watching. Please go through the videos again so that you understand it. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys. See you guys next time. Thank you.